Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. 1 million, 2 million, 4 million. Oh, 3 million. Where is it? Okay, guys. Here we are live today on an session for gold, hoping to find some good trades. Although I want to share with you that last day trade, which my monitor got blacked out, but I still managed to tell you to take entry around somewhere where that would be this, which was on 1 minute time frame. So I will explain how that trade went goes. I managed to make it one my capital on this trade. So basically I was looking for a demand zone below it, but when it came down, like breaking out with the very nice good impulse move, and coming back little bit of breaking the supply and creating the supply zone here at this level, which I drawn in a green line arrow. Then afterwards I saw some demand zone here uh, hovering around, and making sorry doing liquidity engineering, like it's like properly liquidity happening. Do a They do liquidity just to make sure that you get stopped out first, twice, and then third time it just move against your trend. So this was the impulse move. I told you, if it's break above this and not below that, this was the perfect entry ever. But somehow these candles, like these red candle, like you can you see this? So these candles came very harsh enough that it went down crazily, way down. So yeah, so it went down crazily, and that time I thought little bit of you know uh, little bit of more risk to this setup, but eventually it was a higher time frame. It was giving a very nice trend upward. So once it was move above this level, I try to tell you guys that keep your stop loss at this below this SNR level. So if candle comes here and then push back, then it's okay, because I just want to minimize the risk of this trade. So I thought to share with you that. And then again, I told you, if this breaks, like this level breaks, then keep your stop loss at break even or something, or maybe the low of this. So I tried to manage my stop loss like this level, and then afterwards I kept on break even while it's going upward. So you can see that this trade we got 1:1 trade on this gold, but eventually it went up crazily for 1:4 or 3:5. So don't worry, don't get into like you can carry that 1:1 or something sort of. It's just a part of a game. You have a very nice strategy coming doing around, and it's give you a very nice what we say win ratio. So why to wait for 1:2 or 1:3? Just get your 1:1 and then done for the day, right? So risk accordingly. You don't have to over risk it. So this was a New York trade, sorry, trade gold. So we got two trades yesterday, London and New York. So today New York I might not be there. So today is the last day for my week to be online trading, live trading. So yeah, we'll back with the good mic and everything on Monday. So be prepared for it. And this is how we have done it, achieved it. Although you will see that these candles, when it prints like these candles and then come back down and getting our stop loss, it also happens. Somehow this didn't happen because the HFT time frame, you can see it's way harsh on going above level. So I really felt like okay to not lose it. See, this went up and then crazily came back, retest it, and we saw this trade. Now we'll wait for London session to get the Frankfurt session to get. So this might be our demand zone because this liquidity take and then it went up and crazily almost it was hitting our supply zone, but still we will wait for it. What gonna happen, I don't know. We are just into the ride of this thing. I think this will break. I think this will break. Crazy enough. Yeah, after touching this trend line this will break. You will see it hopefully. And Nasdaq, I will share with you the Nasdaq trade also. Wait, hold on. So basically, you know what? So our live stream is almost 25-second back. So before that, I really want to give you nice level setup so you can trade along with it. So per se, it's not a live happening, but we'll try to make 5 minutes trading zone rather than 1 minute. Yeah, so 5 minute we have to go for a New York session for N Nasdaq. So this was the level I draw. I thought that it will break this, but actually it break this level. So after breaking this level, so I will consider this as my liquidity thing. Liquidity, I always have a yellow trend line, and this is for supply demand break. So this supply demand break happened from this level. So supply was this. So this was our supply zone. So I took from this pointer out to this point. So it broke the supply and then came back to our entry level. So this was our entry at the next candle itself, keeping our stop loss to this level and to the low of impulse move, and targeting in almost 1 to 10 15 20 minutes. Okay, electricity has gone, so I will just share you with my setup. Okay, so this was the setup and this going around, this is going down, right? Ah damn, the light is out. light came, thank God, God grace. Okay, so this was the 5 minute trade I always look for in the Nasdaq. 5 minutes is the very best thing to do rather than 1 minute on Nasdaq. The Nasdaq open happens very heavily on the liquidity breaching side. So it went out and then breached the liquidity and then give us a nice trend thing. It's good to trade on the Nasdaq for 5 minutes. So we'll try to more do some Nasdaq trades later on. I even want to make it happen. Gold is good, gold, I love it, gold, but sometimes you need to have a second opinions options to trade around. See, we just need a one trade in a day, and we have a two sessions with a two pair coming around. In my session, we got a two session set. So look how much quality trade we need to take it. See, it's falling down. It will break this low and then do the some nice. Trust me, I know this strategy also. This is one of my AB7 strategy, which I use for the algorithmic trading, which is used in for a long-term perspective of charts also. So